Everyone's with the Farris, Tarazi Fine Homes and Estates. Welcome to Cristiano Avenue. If you're looking for a stunning, model-like home that's built in 2020 that offers a nice open floor plan with high ceilings, a gourmet chef's kitchen, and a private backyard with RV access, this may be for you. Let's head on in and check it out. Welcome home, featuring 3 bedrooms plus a bonus room that could easily be converted into the 4th bedroom, upgraded baseboards, wood laminate flooring, and plantation shutters throughout, a laundry room with cabinets and a deep sink, tall doors throughout the house, and a spacious family room with a stone wall fireplace, in-ceiling surround sound speakers, and opens up to the gourmet chef's kitchen, the large walk-in pantry, quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, custom backsplash, double ovens, and a wine cooler. I mean a long center island. Enjoy the master suite that features a modern ceiling fan and a luxury master bath with 2 large walk-in closets, dual vanities, and a separate tub and shower. Relax in your private desert landscape backyard. Thank you so much for watching this tour, Cristiano Avenue. For more information, for your own private showing, give me a call at 661-388-0575. And remember, who you work with matters.